In this video, we are going to see how we can change the content language on the Reddit account. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner on your profile icon and head over to the settings. Now, once we are in the settings, you need to head over to the preferences tab. And from here, we will choose the content languages. So if you want your content to be displayed in a specific language, let's say I want it to be displayed in French, I can search it here just like so. Click on done, and as soon as you head over to the home tab, it will show you the information of the content in your desired language, or otherwise you need to reload the browser, and just like so it will be displayed in the specific language you want. If you want to switch it back, you head over to the same area and switch it back to English. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.